What's up guys, Major here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make your WhatsApp status uploads to be in high quality instead of low quality. So this came with the latest update of WhatsApp. So to be able to get this, your WhatsApp must be updated to the latest version. In case you don't know how to do that, you can just open your Play Store. Once you can just open your Play Store, you can just type WhatsApp and you can just tap on it, and then make sure that it's upgrade or it says open. That means it's in the latest version. So what you have to do, you have to open WhatsApp, and once you open WhatsApp, you have to tap the three dots. Then you have to go straight to settings. When you enter settings, you have to go down to storage and data. You have to click on it. Then you have to go down to where it says media upload quality. It says choose the quality of the media files to be sent. So what you have to do, you have to click here, and then you have to click best quality, and then you have to click OK, and then you have to see that your story uploads and the photos you are sending to your friends will be in high quality. So if this video helped you, give it a very big thumbs up, and yeah, share this video to your friends to help them with the issue of WhatsApp downgrading or reducing the quality of their uploads. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Major out.